sit back, relax, grab your coffee, and let's get into this thing. Let's get into this thing. Guys, it's been a fantastic week, a long week, a good week, and I would say this. We closed out our Q3 with a bang. My team did. We had some wonderful numbers, and I'm very, very proud of the results that we got. I can tell you this, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday were very, very stressful days for me. However, I was able to get through them. Very little sleep, but I was able to get through them with some really good results. Let's just say that. Some really good results, and I'm very proud of myself. I'm very proud of my team for delivering what we were supposed to deliver this quarter and so forth. I'm gonna tell you like this, guys. When you're in sales, I made a video that I haven't dropped yet, and I'm gonna put it on the Patreon. When you're in sales and you're at quarter end, you're responsible for pulling in numbers because everybody's relying on you. It can be very, very stressful. I'm gonna tell you like this. You can lose a lot of sleep. You can develop acne. You can develop all sorts of things, right? It's a very, very stressful role. However, it is a very rewarding role as well, because after all that's said and done, you get to sit back and look at all the work that you were able to complete in the accomplishments of yourself and your team. It feels absolutely fantastic, guys. It feels absolutely fantastic. So I wanted to start off the show with that. We had a fantastic end of the quarter.
What's up, ladder climbers? It's Antoine Wade. I wanted to interrupt this video to talk to you guys about Course Careers. Course Careers is the place that you guys need to go if you have a high interest into tech sales. They will help you gain the skills that you need so that you can enter the tech sales world to make a whole bunch of money. Tech sales salaries early on is about $60,000, guys. That's a good salary. And with OTEs, you can make anywhere from $85,000 to $90,000. If you have an interest in tech sales, check out Course Careers, link in the description. And don't forget to use Antoine50 so that you can get a $50 discount off of Course Careers. See you guys in tech sales.
I had some really good coaching sessions this week as well, too. Got a chance to speak to a number of individuals that are on their transition, either transition into tech from some other industry, transition into project management from another role that they are already in tech, transitioning to a closer role if they are already in some sort of tech sales role. Maybe an SDR to an AE or SE, a sales engineer to account executive. A number of good calls this week, and I am excited about the future for many of us, okay? We have 28 days before the end of the year. What are you gonna do? I want you guys to think about that as we are in this show today. 28 more days in this year, but really it's not 28 more working days because some of us are going to be taking some vacation, some holidays. What are you going to do to hit your goals? What are you going to do to close out this year strong? Think about that in this show today. I want you guys to consistently remind yourself and think about we're having another new year around the corner. 2020 has been an interesting year. I'm going to tell you this from my experience. It's been an interesting year, a lot of ups and a lot of downs. It's been one of those years that I'm going to look back at and say it was very pivotal in my career and my life because so many things happened personally, but also so many things happened professionally as well too. And I'm looking forward to 2023 and what it's going to bring and all that it's going to entail as well. And I want you guys to start thinking about where you are right now and where you planning on being tomorrow. And there's no reason for you to think that you can't get started now just because 2023 is around the corner. A lot of people, especially in the calls that I have, is they think that they are going to get started at some sort of date in the future. And I am of the mindset of start now, start today. What is it that you can be doing today that's going to have you one step closer to what it is that you ultimately want to accomplish in the future, right? So if it's, hey, you know what, I want to transition into this role, I have the skills, but I have to get these certifications. No, you may not need to have those certifications. You can be applying now so that you can understand a little bit more about the interview process, see what it is that you're lacking, see if you can get in without those certifications. So start today is the whole point that I'm talking about. Don't delay. Just because 2023 is around the corner doesn't mean that it's a reset. The reset is the next hour. The reset is the next day. The reset is tomorrow. Start now. Don't delay. Don't delay. Don't delay.